Welcome back to the Ragu Guru. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken parmesan. Okay, chicken parmesan, you know what's going on. We got to make pasta first, hence the eggs and the double O flour. And then of course we've got the chicken here. Going to slice them in half, flour, batter, fry. We're going to be frying in sunflower oil tonight. Batter's going to be a beer batter. This basically is beer, white cornmeal, some nice double O, and bread, which we'll make out. And of course our sauce, the number 4 sauce, right? 4 ingredients. You got garlic, San Marzano tomatoes, anchovies, old vine red Zinfandel. Cheese plate, mozzarella, provolone, Parmesan Reggiano, Feta, white cheddar, and a Roth blue cheese. Our herb plate, tarragon, oregano, Genovese, basil, and Marinara bee balm, mostly for the florets. All right, and tonight we're going to have a nice valpolicella.
Beer batter? Isn't that like using snot?
You take your chicken breasts, you cut them into cutlets, hammer them out really good on both sides, get them real flat, and then put them in your flour. Beer batter, equal portions white cornmeal and flour, and beer, of course. I'm using Heineken for this. And then at the end, when you get the texture right, you're going to grate bread into that. Yeah, a nice baguette I used. And then look at that texture. It's very nice. And then you put them in sunflower oil. This is sunflower oil, 375 degrees. It's going to be about 6 minutes aside. And then you get your plate all ready. This is an arugula salad, olive oil, lime, little salt, blue cheese, Roth blue cheese, and Parmesan cheese with garlic. And then of course finish it off with a nice red bell pepper. And then you're getting ready to get these all set. Flip them over one more time, and then get them ready to prep. Okay, here we go. Put them on the pan, get that oven hot. Provolone cheese, mozzarella cheese, oregano, basil, garlic, more provolone in the oven. I'm shaking up the pasta with cracked green pepper and butter, putting it on the plate. Looking good. And then of course the marinara sauce, which you already know how to make. It's very tasty. And then Parmesan, oregano, basil, garlic, little lime. And then top it off with your chicken Parmesan, and you are ready to go. Chicken Parmesan on a bed of arugula salad with raw red bell peppers and a valpolicella. I want to wish everybody a happy Independence Day and a wonderful day ahead. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.